Okay, we have a Okuma turning center model LB-35-2/2000. This machine serial number is 060258. It has a 15-inch chuck, 78.74 centers. It has a swing of 27.56, 16.93 over the cross slide. We're running right now
200 in the low winding.
200 in the low. It has 4 ranges up to 3,200 RPM. You have a 12 position turret. 400 RPM. Machine is 500. Machine is super quiet. 600. The machine also has the control is an Okuma OSP 7000L control with IGF. That's a shift. That's the third range.
Yeah, that's the higher range. It's at 600.
Your axis travels are 12.99, and your longitudinal travel your Z travel is 81.49. She's a big boy, big girl. The tailstock quill.
It's over a long way.
The tailstock quill is number 5 Morse taper, and you have 6.69 inches of travel and a quill diameter of 4.72. That's about it.